my name is Rebecca, and on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make 3 super delicious and really easy, high protein and plant-based smoothies. The protein that I'm gonna be using for 2 of these smoothies is the Garden of Life plant-based protein. You can substitute any type of whey protein that you're already using. Me, I prefer this vegan plant-based protein. It is easy to digest and it also has BCAAs and probiotics. Some of the reasons why I love making smoothies is because the prep time's easier. You don't really have to wash and prepare as many fruits and vegetables. I can add whatever types of fruits that I want to my smoothies. It's an easy way to incorporate proteins and different ingredients to keep you full as a meal replacement. These 3 smoothies that I'm gonna make today have about 30 grams of protein each, so you can definitely use them in place of breakfast or lunch as a post-workout. So typically when I make my juices, I try to make a big batch of juice to last me a couple days. But with smoothies, I definitely recommend either making them when you're ready to drink them, or you can also store them in your freezer in an ice cube tray. And once you're ready to make your smoothie, you just pull out of the freezer, pop the cubes into a blender, add about a cup of milk, and you're good to go. The first smoothie that I'm gonna be showing you is one of my favorites, and I'm actually craving it right now, so I'm super excited to make this. It is a peanut butter banana shake. The ingredients that I'm gonna use for this peanut butter banana shake are 2 tablespoons of PB2 powder. The one that I have is the peanut butter cocoa. That is delicious. It has just a little hint of chocolate. And I am going to be adding 1/3 cup of oats, a cup of milk, 1 banana, about a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 cup of ice just to keep it cold. And you can use any type of milk that you like. I do prefer soy milk. I know a lot of people like almond milk. Soy milk is a little thicker and I just prefer the taste of soy milk. It does have a little bit more protein than almond milk, so that's also an added bonus. This is a great shake to make for breakfast in the morning because the oats are a slow burning carb which give you energy throughout the day, and the protein is gonna keep you full. And have I already said they're really delicious? All right. Okay, this next smoothie is a green smoothie. I'm not gonna add any protein powder. Instead, I'm gonna add hemp seeds. These hemp seeds have 9 grams of protein per serving, so I'm just gonna put some of this in there. The ingredients that I'm gonna use for this green smoothie are 1 cup of spinach, 1 cup of frozen mangoes, and 1 cup of frozen peaches, just to keep it cold, of course. 1 cup of milk, 1 banana, and about 4 tablespoons of hemp seeds. If you don't have any hemp seeds, you could also use flax seeds or chia seeds. If you don't like to add protein powder to your smoothies, you can also add more of the seeds of flax seeds. I will also share a list of high protein foods to kind of give you ideas. That way you can make delicious protein smoothies with the fruits that you like. smoothie, I'm gonna add a cup of frozen berries. I just happen to have this cherry berry mix, but if you have any type of like strawberry blueberry mix, the blackberry, like the antioxidant mix, those are really good too. So I'm gonna add a cup of these frozen blueberries, and I was going to add blueberry yogurt, but somebody ate it, so peach it is. But I would definitely recommend adding a blueberry yogurt. The yogurt that I eat almost daily is the silk yogurt. Obviously it's plant-based, it's really delicious. Don't be scared to try new things, people. All right, and then I'll add a cup of soy milk. And I'm also gonna add this organic superfood blend by Better Body Foods. It has about 6 grams of protein per 2 scoops of powder. And you really can't taste it. It's kind of a red powder, but it's really good in addition to add to your smoothies. It has broccoli, blueberries, tomatoes, and 6 grams of vegan protein. So I would definitely be sure to link this down below. It's always nice to just give your smoothies an extra boost of nutrients. In this smoothie, I'm also gonna add a scoop of the Garden of Life protein. The flavor that I have is vanilla, so it's easy to add to different smoothies. I do also like chocolate, and that would be delicious in the peanut butter smoothie, but this is what I got, so that's what it is. All right, let's make this smoothie. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoy these smoothies. Please let me know what you think. These are some of my favorite smoothies, and I'm so happy to have shared them with you. See, this is the part where I get nervous because I really feel like I'm talking to nobody, but I'm talking to you. I do try to post a video every Tuesday, so if you'd like to see more, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Pretty sure that's what I'm supposed to say. I can't wait to see you guys on the next one. I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day, and sayonara. Bye.